everyone! Today we are presenting stages of seed germination and conditions for successful germination. And here we have created a model and a live display for the better understanding about the various stages of seed germination. Let's look at the various stages. This is stage 1. In this stage, the seed absorbs water and softens the seed coat. Let's move on to stage 2. In this stage, the radicle, which is the primary root, breaks through the seed coat. Now at stage 3. In this stage, the seed coat ruptures and the roots grow. Let's go to stage 4. In this stage, the seed grows shoots that grow toward the sun. Moving on to stage 5. In this stage, the cotyledons, which are the true leaves, expand. And here is the final stage. In this stage, the shoot grows leaves and become a baby plant. Now, let's look at the conditions for successful germination. Water. Water helps the seed swell, burst open and activate the enzymes in the embryo. Oxygen. Seeds need oxygen, which is in the atmosphere, for respiration and to produce energy from stored food. Light and warmth. Sunlight provides light, which is essential for seedling growth, and warms the soil, which supports the germination process. Now let's look at the live display. Stage 1. Seed absorbs water. Stage 2. Radical emergence. Stage 3. Seed coat rupture. Stage 4. Shoots grow. Stage 5. Cotyledons expand. Stage 6. Leaves develop. Hope this helps you to understand the various stages of germination. This is our first science exhibit. Hope you liked it. Subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned.